The Podcast Empire, podcast mastery for women in business.
How to create a Canva presentation. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your presentations with canva.com for free. So let's get started. Now Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create different digital art. You can create your Instagram posts, edit your videos, or create presentations, logos, resume, documents as well. And Canva is completely free. Of course, if you are using the free version, I will be using the free version of Canva today to create this amazing presentation. You can actually go for Canva Pro as well if you want to, and you can actually will be able to avail a lot more features with Canva Pro. But the free version also allows you to create this amazing art. So you can create your different presentation for your school work or any project that you are working on. So how to do that? Let's start with the process. All you have to do is just come to canva.com and sign up for a free version or a paid plan. Once you have logged in into your Canva, you will land on this website right here. So you will see the option of presentation right here on Canva. This is one of the very first options that you get. So what you have to do is just simply click on create presentation. And when you do that, Canva will take you to your workspace, to your canvas, where you can create different presentations. So this is my canvas to create my presentation. This is a blank canvas and I will be able to create my presentation here. So let me give you a quick tour around the different, tools that we are getting in our canvas or in our workspace. So what happens is this is a template option where I will be able to find all of these different hundreds of thousands of templates that Canva has created for us. And most of them are free as well. So what happens is that you can choose from a template and then you can work on that. Of course, you can edit the text, you can edit different pictures, you can add your elements, but you will have this amazing, template to work on, and you can actually add your own pages as well while working in a template. And I will actually show you that how to use a template, and I will use a template and add different pages as well. So this is how you can actually get started with a template. Then we have an option of elements. In elements we get all of these different elements. For example, you get the lines and shapes, graphics, you get photos, videos, and sounds as well that you can add to your presentation. You can add charts, frames, and grids too. So you select from all of these different options the images or graphics to add to your presentation. Then we have the upload option from where we can upload anything from our computer. And then text, of course, very important part while creating different presentations. You can add the text from here, add a heading, add a subheading, or you can add a body text. Again, you also get different templates to choose from. If you want to go for already created word or already created text, you can choose from here. But in presentations, we work with headings and subheadings and body text. So from here, we will be adding our text. Let's go to our canvas here, and I will simply click on right here on my canvas, and I will be able to change the background color. Let's go with a template first, and let me show you how you can edit your template, and then I will add a page as well. So what happens is, let me choose any template from here. If I go to see all, I will be able to check out all of the different templates. For example, this one has 14 pages and it is free. So let's go with this one. I will simply click on this template, and now I can add pages from this template. Now the good thing is you can add one page from each presentation as well, each template as well if you want to. For example, when you add a page, let's just say that I want to go with this page, right? So the next page is added from here. You simply click on the plus icon and it's a new page. Now in the new page, I can actually go back and select another template and add that page from there. It's like super easy. You simply go and I can actually add my second page maybe from this presentation. Like, it doesn't matter. So this is pretty cool feature, right? And you can create your own page as well. For example, I can add a new page, and this page is going to be my page that I will create from the scratch. I will create everything right here. So let's edit the template page first. So this is going to be my heading, let's just say. So what happens is you simply click on any of the element and it is selected, then you can edit it out. For example, this one. So I will delete this because I do not want that. You simply click on that and delete key right here and it is deleted. I can move this element as I want to. Simply click on that and you will be able to move it. Let's add the spark right here. Just make it a little bigger and then there you go. So after that, this guy should also come a little closer. Okay, so these are the different elements that I can work for. Let's add text. Simply go to text, add a heading. So I will simply add a heading from here, for example. Okay, so let's just say this is my heading, how to create presentations on Canva. Now I can edit the text as I want to. So the first thing I will do is I want to actually decrease the spacing between these two. So you will get the option of spacing right here. The alignment is given here. It is centered align. Then if you want to list it, you can do from here. If you want to make it italic or bold, you will get the option here. The text color is changed from here. The size will be changed from here and the fonts are given here. You can actually choose from these different fonts, whatever font you want to go for. I am going with this font because it looks pretty good with the headings. So let's just change the spacing for this one, and for the line spacing, I will simply decrease it to maybe 99. Okay, now this looks pretty good. Now I want to make it a bit smaller, so I will simply click on that and okay, let's move it in the center. Now I can actually go ahead and move this a little here. There it is. So let's increase the size for my text. Now to increase the size of your text, you can actually click on this plus icon and it will increase the size. Or you can just, select these dots and you can increase the size from here with your mouse. So I think this looks pretty good and I will just keep it in the center. Okay, now these elements will be decreased a bit lower. There you go. Perfect. Now I will move these elements. There you go. So you can see right here now this page actually looks pretty good. Now if I want to, change the background color, I can actually change it to any color I want to. So I want to make it a bit, colorful. Not the green one. Okay, this one looks pretty good. Okay, so this looks good. So I will keep it this way. So this is going to be my first page and this is the page I, customized from a template. Now you can see the page number right here, 1, 2, 3, and you can add as many pages as you want to. You can add the comment to any of the elements or page right here from add comment page. So this page, if you do not want any page, you simply click on these 3 dots and you can actually duplicate it. If you want to, you can add another new page or you can delete the page and it will be deleted. So this is going to be my second page. It is completely blank. It is going to be my own page that is not from a template. So how to create something from the scratch? Of course, you change the background color. So I went with a skin color. So the background color is going to be same as the first one. So they look, aligned and they look, good and organized. So this is going to be my background color. Now I want to add different elements. So I will simply go to elements and I can add a photo if I want to. So I will click on photos and you will be able to find all of these amazing pictures from here. These are completely free too. Some are not, but most of them are. The ones I am seeing right here are completely free. So I can add as many pictures as I want to. So let's add an image. Let's go with this one. So now this image will be loaded right here and this person should be here. Now, if I want to change the size, I'll make it big or small as I want to, or I can crop the image as I like. So I will just keep it this size, okay? And I will actually make it a big, there you go. So this image looks pretty good. Now, if I wanted to add different graphics, I can go to graphics and I can add as many graphics as I want to. I can add gradients, I can add stickers, and I can add different, designs as well. So for now, I am going to go for simple graphic. If I want to add, for example, I can add any of these. The ones that actually match my first page as well. So I think these are the graphics. These are magic recommendation. Now this is pretty good on Canva that you get magic recommendations like the ones you should go for, and these actually match the things that you have already used. So you get a pretty good idea to, what you should use. So we can go with this person maybe, and she can just, be right here. You will see that she will be added right here. Now I can actually change her as I like. I can actually change the color of her clothes. I will click on yellow, and the yellow color in this graphic will be changed. For example, I can change the yellow to blue or maybe to orange, and this is what it will look like. So for now, I think the image looks good, so I will delete the graphic. Again, what you do is you simply right click and click on delete. It will be deleted. So I can add the text from here. For example, let's go for a heading, or maybe we should have gone with a subheading, but it totally depends on you how to use Canva. Let's just say this is my second slide for my presentation. So I will simply click it right here, and I can add right here, and I will change the line spacing. There it is. So this can be my heading. If I want to add a subheading, it will be added right here. So you can see right here that I have added this subtext. Now I can actually decrease the size for this text, and I can add it right here just below this. So this is what it will look like. Now this could be my second slide, and I can now create as many slides as I want to. You add the title of your presentation right here. For example, when you actually, most of the time when you create your new presentation and you add the title right here on the first slide, your title is automatically updated right above. But if it's not, you simply click right here and you can edit your title from here, and this will be the title for your presentation. So once you are done, for example, you can add as many pages as you want to, and you can add as many slides as you want to. So once you have created your presentation, you can review it from here. You can select any page, and you can add as many pages as you want to. You can add elements, whatever you want to, and create this amazing presentation of your own. Once it's done, you simply click on this icon of download, and you can download it in the video form if you want to. It is going to be MP4 video, or you can go for the image presentation or image slides, and you can just go for PNG. So I am going to go for PNG, and you can actually go for a PDF file as well. For presentation, it is suggested to go for PDF. So you can go for PDF standard. I am going with PDF standard. So you can just simply click on download, and your presentation will be downloaded within seconds. So yeah, guys, this is how you can create your presentations with Canva.com. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your amazing business, school, or work presentations with Canva.com for free.
The Podcast Empire, podcast mastery for women in business.